Water is the source of all life. Kung Fu is way of life. Water Kung Fu also has more mobility.
My opinion, I think Kung Fu is pretty good. Well, Kung Fu is originated in China. It's more of a complete system and it's more fluid. By that I mean it's more flowing. There is continuity in movement instead of one movement, two movement and then stop. Water is the softest substance in the world, but yet it can penetrate the hardest rock, anything, granite, you name it. Water also is insubstantial. By that I mean you cannot grasp hold of it. You cannot punch it and hurt it. So every Kung Fu man is trying to do that. To be soft like water and flexible and adapt itself to the opponent.
Tai Chi is a system of exercise and movement developed long ago as a martial or training art that is now widely used for health and wellness. It can be practiced by almost anyone and in almost any situation. Often known as moving meditation, Tai Chi is a series of slow, gentle motions that are patterned after movements in nature. Most of the work is performed while standing and taking small steps, though it can be modified for seated practitioners as well. Through continued and dedicated practice, Tai Chi offers many health benefits to the body, mind and spirit. In many cases, participants will see benefits after just a few lessons or classes. What is qigong? Pronounced qigong. Qigong is an internal process that has external movements. Qi means life force, the energy that powers our body and spirit. Gong is the term meaning work or gather. Qigong together means a form of movement and mind using intention and mindfulness to guide Qi to make Qi work. Qigong is often referred to as the internal portion of Tai Chi. Its physical expression is characterized by stationary movements that are repeated a certain number of times, such as 3, 6 or 9 times. Qi, then, is the type of energy that makes us feel alive and helps us experience emotions. Traditional Qigong theory says that we can focus on a feeling, emotion, part of the body, concept or goal and that our Qi, or energy, goes where our mind sends it. Practicing the same move over and over stimulates muscle, bone, heart, respiration and other functions in the body as shown through Qigong theory. What is the difference between Tai Chi and Qigong? Qigong can be thought of as a movement you do for a certain situation, as opposed to Tai Chi form, which is a series of movements that work on the entire body in a flowing sequence, says Moral. For example, Qigong can be one move that helps open the lungs. The practitioner will repeat that specific move until he or she has felt the benefit begin to emerge. Tai Chi classes always include the concepts and theories, and usually movements of Qigong, but a Qigong practice won't necessarily include Tai Chi. To explain the difference between the two practices, think of a weightlifter who focuses on building his or her biceps with biceps curls. The weightlifter repeats those curls to build the muscle, focusing on that muscle only. In the same way, Qigong focuses on a particular issue in the mind, body or spirit, she says. Tai Chi, on the other hand, has more similarities to a full body weightlifting routine.
Tai Chi basics 1. Your both hand lifts up, your finger relax all the way up. Feel the winds go through your fingers. And from top, all the way. Inhale and exhale. Your both hand push down slowly. Slightly to move your shoulder, to feel the Qi from your shoulder to the elbow and to your wrist and your fingers. It lifts up with the same speed and all the way up and all the way down. Let's do one more time. Lift your both arms with the same speed, all the way up, all the way down, with your breath. Great work, my friend. Let's move on to the next one. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Your both hands come back to your waist. Go down and all the way from both sides. Slowly all the way up with your breath, and turn your both hand from the inside to the outside and press down and exhale. Excellent work. For this one, we're adding the finishing move, like cross your hand, turn over, and hold finish with your breath. Let's start with 3 times. Inhale and exhale to make you relax. And your both hand from both sides coming up the halfway. And your both hand turn in to meet inside, and to make a small ball between your both hands. Feel the qi just inside your both hands, and you can twist, you can a little bit rotate, open and close to move around, to feel the energy ball just between your hands. Slowly and move around. You feel the both power to connect your both hands, to move around, twist, twist. And open, open, and all the way open with your inhale, and come back in again. To spend a little time, focus on your energy ball just between your hands, and play with the energy. And you both hands open all the way. Inhale. And you feel the air inside your chest. And close both hands together to make the small ball. The energy to make your both hands feels hot. And cross your hand, come back to center and turn over your both hand and finish.